Hi there, Wayne Myers, compounding pharmacist here at Norland Avenue Pharmacy, taking some time to demonstrate a Topi-CLICK dispenser to you today. So these typically have hormones in them, anything from progesterone, estrogen, testosterone in them in a cream form. And they can be in different colors. We actually color code ours, and each pharmacy is going to be a little bit different. The purple is going to have some type of testosterone combination in it. Blue would have just straight testosterone, white would have progesterone, and pink would have estrogen bias in there. So first of all, taking the cap off, you just pull that off, okay? You can see there's probably a touch of cream on the top. These are meant to deliver a quarter of an ml or a quarter of a gram. So it is pre-calibrated, it delivers that amount. And most of the time, it's dosed on giving 1 click, and sometimes it's 2, but what you're going to do then to deliver the medication is you're just going to turn this a quarter of a turn, and you'll actually hear it click. And then you can give it a second pause. You can see some cream still coming out. And what the nice thing about a Topi-CLICK dispenser then is you can do this hands-free. And most of the time, most of our providers want you to put the hormones on the area of the skin that's pretty thin and it can be absorbed in. So the forearm is a great place for that. And so you're going to put that in here, and you can rub this in. And it's going to take a little bit of time to rub that in. So for the video here, I'm not going to continue on that, but you could use your hands. I would recommend that after you use your hands, you wash your hands thoroughly so you don't transfer it over to a loved one, a pet, someone like that. So you've done that, you've rubbed that in. You want to replace the cap, that keeps it from anything drying out. What I want you to notice on this too, it's probably difficult to see on here just because this is clear, but if you see on the paper here, there is a refill line. At the bottom of that refill line, there's 32 clicks. At the very top, you're down to 12 clicks. So anytime in there, it's time to call and get a refill of your medication. So I think that's covers the basics of a Topi-CLICK dispenser and answers most of the questions that you would have on that. But as always, don't hesitate to give us a call at 717-217-6790, and we'd be delighted to talk with you.